Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can create a user in Django by using Python shell. In a previous tutorial I taught you how you can create a user by using a shell, but we created a user in a model which was multi model. It had the multi user, it had the admin, no, it had the patient, doctor and admin. So in this tutorial we are going to create a user by using a shell, but by using a different method, which is create underscore user, right? So before we start to create a user, let me show you something. So this is a model we are going to create a user in. It is authentication underscore user. It is a Python Django model for authenticating user. Here, as you can see, there are only two users, and after creating our user you will see user number 3 added, right? So here we go. In this is my home. This is the path or the directory of my main project. Let me show you something. So this is the path, and here you can see there is a db.sqlite database, and this is manage.py, right? So here we start to create our user. So type python manage.py shell. After that, this is our Python shell. Then after, we need to import a model before we create a user. So from django.contrib, from django.contrib.auth.models, import user. After importing a user, we need to create an instance for uh, for taking and saving our data. So user is equal to user. User is the name of our model dot objects dot create user dot create underscore user. As I've said that we are going to create a user by using a method named as create user. So after this we put brackets. Then after, inside the create user we need to specify username, first name, last name, email, password, and else information we need or necessary for user. So username is Motec app. Email is motecapp.motecapp.com. Then the first name and last name is first name is Moses and the last name is Moses. Password is Moses1234. After that, I press enter. Here, as you can see, these options, email, first name should match with your information in mode. As here you can see password, there is username, last name, email. So make sure that the information you specify, I mean the columns of model user should match with the column you specify in create underscore method. So after that, we need to add some more. User dot is super user, false. If is super user, just specify, put it true, right? So this is not super user. User dot is staff, true, the user is staff. Then after specifying the information of user, you need to save, right? So user dot save. After that, after saving a user, you may exit. So far we have successfully created a user with username Motec app and password Moses1234. So let's refresh our model and see the changes. As you can see here, username is Motec, last name, and so on. So actually this is how you can create a user by using create underscore user method in Django. Actually, this is an end of our tutorial. Just to put a short summary of what we have covered today. Actually, we have covered on how to create a user by using Python shell in Django, and we created a user in model named as user from contribute.auth.models. Then after, we use the create underscore user method to create a user, right? So actually this is an end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.